let's see the... We're at the Cascade Springs Nature Reserve.
Oh, I wish I had a dog to walk.
Right. I wish I had a pit bull right now, but you know what? I can't have everything I want. So.
Points of interest. You are here.
I'm excited and nervous at the same time.
I'm trying to get the A.
Guys,
I want to go to
guys, this is a real woods. Like, I'm so... This lightweight not even it, bro. Like, look. These are the real woods. Like, people be coming here and probably be going missing. I'm not. They better... Isla and Z better act right today because I'm not doing it.
What's wrong?
There's nothing wrong. I just need you to act right today. I genuinely don't know how to act without my mama. Are you excited? Are you excited?
I am. I love nature.
I love this.
I'm like, girl,
I love nature too, but it's just...
I could do this at my house.
This is a little...
and that's why I'm just chilling.
This is a little beyond me. No, I don't know how to act with like without my mom or my dad here, because at least when there's a man here I can be like, go ahead dad, do what you... Hi. Oh really? Ready?
Oh wait, hold on, wait. Let me start it over. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Look, bro, look at these abandoned buildings.
No, I'm done. I'm not making any more jokes. I'm kidding.
Don't get socked today. We're not doing that today. Guys, it's really dirt road though. I'm so sick. Like we hiking. I thought
nature. I thought this was like
right. Look, we staying on the trails today, you guys. We not doing that extra little bit.
Look,
you heard talking about let's investigate.
You're a dog.
It's what talking about let's investigate. Let's not. This is not a ghost adventures.
I kind of want to ask that guy to take pictures of us.
These supposed to be the picnic benches.
Right. These pictures look so sad.
Okay.
Wait, I feel like a picture on top of the rock.
That's what I was saying. I wanted to ask the guy.
Look at her. Look at our camera woman Z.
Wait, sit on it.
Sit on it. No, okay.
Isla. Yeah, that's cute. Period.
What?
Hold on.
Show out, bestie.
Period.
Look at Z.
Ooh, period.
Wow.
Listen here.
Right. Look at y'all making my life as a video, or what is it called? A YouTuber a lot harder than it needs to be. Yes.
Let me see.
Go ahead, skip down the bridge, Z. This your time. Skip down the bridge. Look, you can go edit that video later.
There she go.
Oh.
I love nature.
There she goes.
Maybe this is the waterfall.
Right. It's so pretty, bro. A video what?
Get a video of it. I'm gonna take it.
Look at it. Look at it. This is so exciting, you guys.
That's not as cute as I thought it was gonna be. Cause this water is there.
Z's trying to film. No, it's okay. Well, I mean, it's nature water, so I mean, bro, look at that. It's so pretty out here. I'm so excited. I love nature so much.
Say hi.
Hi, Isla.
Look at his finger.
Wait, you're in my way.
I'm sorry.
Huh?
What happened?
Why are you here? I'm sick.
Oh, I'm sorry. She's so pop off. What's she talking about? The dog.
Where's the dog foot? I had to look back. Z, I got so scared because I was like looking over my shoulder and you weren't like right behind me. I was like,
I snatched up that fast.
yes. I was like, how in the world did she get kidnapped in 2 seconds? I was like, what?
Oh yeah, this is a better shot. Is this the waterfall? Can you film the... Actually...
We see, bro. I see the actual waterfall, bro. One time, story time, guys. So one time, me and my family, we were in Idaho, I think, and we like climbed up this huge mountain, bro, for like 2 hours. because we thought there was gonna be like this huge waterfall, and we got there and the waterfall was so freaking tiny.
Oh, I'm dead.
Yeah, bro. That was quite interesting, but piles of sticks. Bro, we actually over here climbing like.
No, from behind me.
I know, you gonna get up here. Woo.
Oh God. Here we go.
And that, America,
This is a lot of work.
is a waterfall. That's pretty. It's so bold, bro.
I want to go down there too, but
Love this for them.
I'm trying not to fall, bro.
Bro, my phone quality is A1. Come on, give me a twirl or something. Well, not twirl.
Wait, hold on. Let me get the boomerang right quick. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's so cute.
We like to keep testing it.
Okay, guys, they are really like nature freaks. I've never had friends this bold before. Like, they really getting close and in it. Like, I'm a proud friend. I just don't know if this life is for me or not.
I feel at home.
Z feeling one with the nature. Bro, that's funny.
By going down this tiny trail.
Unsafe. Just down here, cause when we leave this part, then there's gonna be the other trail that goes that way.
Deep in the woods.
Yeah, no, isn't this where we came from?
No, Darier. We came from that way. Why are you just now saying something?
No.
I thought she.
No. I was saying,
God.
which way did we? I was going down this way because I thought we were gonna end.
Yeah, we came from that way.
Okay, let's go back.
You know I'm not good with directions. I'll just be
Oh
walking.
Lord.
Cause this is still a trail, but I don't know where this leads to. So. No, I was like, where did we miss our turn at? No, I was talking about after we get back to our point, our starting point.
Yeah, because there's more like.
That way, but I thought this was the way to the starting point. You gotta go all the way back down there. Yes, cause
Y'all not see the exit. Y'all see the cars, right? Come on, guys. It's right there.
don't look at the car. No.
Oh, sure. You got a knife? Oh, that's cute. We're about to. My sis got the key. Oh, okay, that's what we're using. I'm scared because Spelman might be like, you messed up the key.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to carve an eye. Ooh,
Damn.
dang.
I don't know where to go. Whole place is.
Ooh, Lord, I'm too weak. Why does it just look like gangrene? How are you doing, her? How are you doing, big bro? Oh, God. They really don't need to know I was here.
Bro, I can't take her nowhere, bro. Look, she wanted to go in an abandoned house. Z egging her on. I'm just so sick. It's like, bring your butt over here.
This is like a wooden thing. Like people have hearts on it and stuff. That'd be cute.
The thing is, Z will come over here for a date and she won't invite Isla and I to tag along. Like, she be wanting her dates to be her and just the dude. And Isla and I, we just be wanting the fourth wheel, but she just be like, no, guys. We be it's
She just don't know I got weed.
Y'all gonna be hiding in the bushes.
Yes.
like
joking.
we be wanting to have
over here
we be wanting to do a group date. Like Isla not be wanting to tag along and she be wanting her privacy and I'm like,
It's not
for
our
what?
fault. Guys don't talk to us.
What you need privacy for? Like
Right.
what y'all
You
gonna
come
talk
back and
about?
tell us anyway.
Right. We
Like,
might as well
we're
do the
gonna see
first
our
Be
right.
there to see the actions being done.
Yes, I can.
Because that little house over there seems ideal.
Ew.
That's disgusting.
I'm
There are
kidding.
demons
It was mildew.
demons in there.
So we're going back to the map to take a picture of it because I got lost the first time.
Oh, there's benches over there too.
Yeah, we gotta go all the way over there, bro. I want to explore the whole thing.
Look.
Oh my God, it's trying to jump off the bridge.
This house is over here too.
I love my friends. This is so much fun, you guys. Like, the fact that we as girls get to go on a trip like this and it be nice, it's a blessing. It really is. Guys, we're coming to the end of our trip. We have one more trail to explore. And it's been really fun. Like, it's been really, really nice. The weather was actually pretty good. It's gonna start raining soon, but what? Don't be talking like that, and you don't scare me like that, Z.
People are like preaching up here.
What?
I did stop in my tracks. I was like, what?
I cannot deal. This does look like people have like ceremonies. Type of way to go.
Scary. What? That looks like
Scary or precautious?
No, that looks like that looks like something from this movie.
Look, I don't got time to be. Oh no, let me order the lift. I feel the rain coming on. Okay, so the rain has begun and we're walking back. The lift has been ordered. It has arrived. It is here. The trip was fun. Everyone subscribe and like to my channel, K Derrier.